Good morning, students. In this session of Biology Chapter 2, we will study about the types of seed embryo, types of seeds, seed dormancy, types, and the significance of formation of seeds and fruits. Structure of dicot embryo. A typical dicot embryo consists of embryonal axis and two cotyledon. Due to that two cotyledon, it is known as a dicot. The part of embryonal axis above the cotyledon is known as the apicotyle, which turns into the stem or shoot apex called plumule. The below level of the cotyledon is known as hypocotyle, which converts in the radicle or root tips. These root tips is protected by root cap, which is also known as a calyptra. In capsula, the elongated cotyledon curve due to the curving of ovule itself. With the growth of embryo, the ovules enlarge and the integuments becomes hard for the protection. The whole content is enclosed within a protective cover called seed coat. The seed coat is made up of two layers. Outer layer is known as the testa and the inner layer is known as the tegma. The seed is attached to the fruit through the structure called hilum. Embryo undergoes rest and ovules become seed. So in some plants, embryo is made up of globular or spherical form without showing any distinction or any differentiation in plumule, radicle and cotyledon. For example, orobanche, orchids, utricularia. Structure of monocot embryo. The monocot embryo has only one cotyledon. In the Gramineae family or Poaceae, the cotyledon is called scutellum, which is situated at the lateral side of embryonal axis. The lower end has radicle and root cap, which is enclosed in a sheet called coryza. The part of axis above the level of attachment of scutellum is called apicotyle. It has a shoot apex and few leaf primordial enclosed in a hollow foliar structure called coleptyle. Epiblast represent rudiments of second cotyledon. Types of seeds. Depending on the utilization of the endosperm, seeds are of two types: albuminous seeds and exalbuminous seeds. The endosperms provide nutrition to the developing embryo but remain even during the germination of the seed. In this type, exalbuminous seeds. In exalbuminous seed type, seeds utilize endosperms completely. Thus, these seeds are non-endospermic in nature. Seed dormancy. It is defined as a state or a condition in which seeds are prevented from the germinating even under the favorable environmental conditions for germination, including temperature, water, light, gas, seed coat and other mechanical restrictions. The main reason behind this condition is that they require a period of rest before becoming capable of germination. These conditions may vary from days to months or even years. The conditions are the combination of light, water, heat, gas, seed coat, and hormone structure. What are the causes of seed dormancy? Here are few reasons which are listed below for the seed dormancy, such as light, temperature, hard seed coat, period after ripening, germination inhibitor, immaturity of the seed embryo, impermeability seed coat to water, impermeable seed coat to oxygen, mechanically resistant seed coat, presence of high concentrate solutes. To germinate may be due to certain species to the embryo being immature at the time of dispersal. Enforced dormancy. It is the condition of seeds which is incapable of germination due to an environmental restraint which includes an adequate amount of moisture, oxygen, light and suitable temperature. Induced dormancy. In this type of seed dormancy, when the seed has embedded water but has been placed under extremely unfavorable condition for germination. Finally, seeds fail to germinate even under more favorable conditions. Now, different methods of breaking dormancy are as follow. There are two methods, one natural and another is artificial. In natural breaking of seed dormancy, nature of dormancy stops when the embryo gets appropriate environment such as adaptive moisture and temperature. The seed coat that exists in many species become permeable due to the rupturing of smoothing action of natural agents like microorganisms, temperature and abrasions by the digestive tract of birds and animals that feed on these seeds. Besides these natural, other methods are as completion of over-ripening period, leaching of inhibitor present in the seed coat, inactivation of inhibitor by the supply of cold, heat and light, production of growth hormone which can neutralize the effect of inhibitors. These are the natural types of breaking of seed dormancy. Artificial overcomes of seed dormancy are action with hot water for termination of wax, surface inhibitor, etc. Rupturing of seed coat by filling, chipping, or threshing through machines. Exposure to heat, cold, or light depending upon the type of seed dormancy. By applying hydraulic pressure for 5 to 20 minutes in order to weaken the tough seed coat, that is a hard. Seed coats are treated with concentrated sulfuric acid for removing all traces of mineral acid. Now, treatment to break down in seed dormancy. There are various methods for the breakdown of this. The treatment such as seed coat treatment, embryo treatment, high temperature treatment, and chemical treatment. Seed coat treatment. In this treatment, make a hard seed coat permeable to water or gases either by softening or cracking. The process is called scarification. The treatment can be either chemical or physical in nature. Embryo treatment, stratification. The incubation of seeds at an appropriate low temperature over a moist layer before transferring to a temperature suitable for germination. High temperature treatment. Incubation at 40 to 50 degrees Celsius for a few hours to a few days may have an effect in overcoming dormancy in some species. For example, rice seeds treated in hot water at 40 degrees Celsius for at least 4 hours. Chemical treatment. Plant growth regulators or other chemicals can be used in induced germination growth regulators. Now, importance of seed dormancy. The importance of seed dormancy is for a long time, which act as a survival mechanism. Seed can adapt to adverse situation and resist appropriate germination. But there is no uniform germination. Dormancy makes it difficult to maintain the plant population and interferes in seed tasting procedure. It follows the storage of seed for later use by animals and man. It helps in dispersal of seeds through the unfavorable environment. Dormancy induced by the inhibitor present in the seed coat is highly useful to desert plants. Allow the seed coat to continue to be in suspended animation without any harm during cold or high summer temperature and even under drought conditions. Dormancy helps seeds to remain alive in the soil for several years and provide a continuous source of new plants even when all the mature plants of the area have died due to natural disaster. What are the causes of seed dormancy? Here are few reasons which are listed below for the seed dormancy, such as light, temperature, hard seed coat, failure after ripening, germination inhibitor, immaturity of the seed embryo, impermeability seed coat to water, impermeable seed coat to oxygen, mechanically resistant seed coat, presence of high concentrate solutes. Structure of dicot embryo. A typical dicot embryo consists of embryonal axis and two cotyledon. Due to that two cotyledon, it is known as a dicot. The part of embryonal axis above the cotyledon is known as a apicotyle, which turns into the stem or shoot apex called plumule. The below level of the cotyledon is known as hypocotyle, which converts in the radicle or root tips. These root tips is protected by root cap, which is also known as a calyptra. In capsula, the elongated cotyledon curve due to the curving of ovule itself. With the growth of embryo, the ovules enlarge and the integuments becomes hard for the protection. The whole content is enclosed within a protective cover called seed coat. The seed coat is made up of two layers. Outer layer is known as a testa and the inner layer is known as a tegma. The seed is significance of food formation. Some of the significance such as protection, dispersal, animal food, importance of human provide nutrition to germinating seeds are as follows. Protection. The developing fruit protect the seeds from unfavorable condition, mechanical injury and pest. Dispersal. Fruits help in the dispersal of seeds to distant places. Animal food. Fleshy fruits are eaten by animals who also disperse the seeds to other places. Provide nutrition to germinating seed. Some fruits also provide nutrient for developing and germinating seeds. Importance for humans. Fruits are an important source of food, organic acids, vitamins, minerals, proteins, oil, and sugar.